build-up continues to the super final of the Royal Navy Jamaica Premier League. Obviously, the big grudge match and championship game will be between Mount Pleasant and Cavalier. But spare some love for the third place playoff between Arnett Gardens and Montego Bay United. This is not the usual redundant third place curtain raiser with nothing to play for. The winner of this game will earn a spot in the Caribbean Club Shield tournament, where the winner and the runners-up will play in the Caribbean Club Championships, from which the winner and runners-up again will now graduate to play in the CONCACAF Club Championships, where the financial rewards could be massive, especially for these local clubs. And so, you see, for this third place game on Super Final Day, both teams will have to come out and play. It will absolutely not be a joke game, as Arnett Gardens and Montego Bay United will both kick in.